We've had quite a few people ask us why we started Fintech Uncut, so we thought we'd let you hear from the team themselves. Chris, what's the thought behind this?
Well, there's an awful lot of podcasts and things in our world of fintech out there, but I'm a huge fan of BBC comedy programs like Mock the Week and Have I Got News for You, and I just felt that none of the fintech things were that funny, so the whole idea of this is to make it funny and topical.
When are you going to start making it funny, Chris?
Well, I was working on it, but I need some mentoring. Maybe you could help me, Mr. Forrester.
So Rick, what made you decide to say yes to Chris when he asked you?
Essentially, in the very beginning, Chris called me, so I had to say yes, because it was Chris. Going further, he challenged me because he thought that I would barely understand you guys' English jokes, and I thought that cannot be true. So that was another reason, and on top of that, the banking scene is all about more serious talks. So for me, Fintech Uncut was a very pleasant comedy alternative to discuss the more global news, fintech news of the world. So that was my reason to join.
Mary, what made you decide to actually say yes to join, this weird group of people?
Well, I'm weird, so that already, points in our favor. But yeah, when Chris told me he was doing a weekly quiz show called FU and needed to judge, I thought, yes, absolutely. There's no need to overthink this. And I'm with Rick. There's so many podcasts that are same old thing, blah blah blah, vanity plays and such. I think it's way more fun to do it in a humorous light.
For me, it was an easy yes when Chris gave me the call and bounced the idea off me. I've known Chris for over 15 years, and whenever we've met, I've enjoyed the banter backwards and forwards, and more than anything else, I've enjoyed his deep insights into the topics that we've discussed. And he's always a bit provocative, which I like. I am too. And the show format gives the opportunity for both a bit of banter and some deep insights at the same time. So, yeah, see for yourself.
I'm going to be honest, I was a bit skeptical in the beginning. As it's such an international show, it's very hard to organize as time zones come in between. But at the end, it's very, very valuable to have this diverse set of opinions in the show. Not so much for the jokes, because they're always English, but for the insights afterwards, it could be valuable, I think, and it's proven valuable so far.
And you still don't get the jokes.
I think the key thing is that the reason why it's the four of us is to try and represent diversity and internationalization. But at the same time, you made the comment to me, Rick, that a lot of people around your network are wondering why we're doing this, because it just seems to be a bit stupid. And I think we need more stupidity.
So there you have it, straight from the team. Have a listen or a watch of the show and let us know what you think.